city of gold, prepared for the good and the blessed, is waiting its portals of pearl to unfold and welcome thee into the rest. Then, brother, be faithful, not long shall we stay in weariness here and forlorn. Time's dark night of sorrow is wearing away. We haste to the glorious Lord. Oh, brother, be faithful, eternity's years shall tell for thy faithfulness now. When bright floods of gladness shall scatter thy tears, a coronet gleam on thy brow. Oh, brother, be faithful, the promise is sure, and waits for the faithful and tried to reign with the ransom immortal and pure, and ever with Jesus.